It's a 2015 Lexus GX460. Turn heads as you navigate the city streets during the week. Forge new paths as you traverse the elements on the weekend. Its astounding kinetic dynamic suspension system is as clever and adaptable as you are. It automatically fixes the stabilizer bars while on road and allows more independent wheel movement when off, keeping you smooth and in control wherever you venture. The climate control, power sunroof, premium sound system, and illuminated entry system further enhance the refined comfort. 10 standard airbags, full-time 4-wheel drive with active traction control, and hill start and downhill assist control ensures your readiness for any situation. An innovation on what it means to dream. Come experience this GX460 today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For